In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an Axos Bank. Whether you're trying to locate the nearest branch, an ATM, or explore a specific service brought by their banking system, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the steps to easily and efficiently find what you're looking for on their website. It's a simple process, but a few tips along the way can make it even more straightforward. First, we'll need to start by navigating to Axos Bank's official website. If you're not sure how to find it, it's as simple as typing Axos Bank into your preferred search engine and selecting the official site from the search results. Once you're on the home page, keep an eye on the top section of your screen. You're looking for the Bank tab, which you can find in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and hover your mouse over this tab until a drop-down menu appears. This menu is your gateway to a variety of tools and options that Axos Bank offers to its customers. Next, in this drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled ATM Locator. This will redirect you to a page dedicated to helping you find the nearest Axos Bank location or ATM. The page features a map prominently alongside a search box where you can input either your address or zip code. This is a critical step. Entering your location information accurately will ensure the results are tailored specifically to you. But it's not just a simple search. The ATM Locator comes with some very handy filter options. Depending on your needs, you can filter by ATM services, choosing among options like withdrawal only, withdrawal plus cash deposits, or withdrawal plus cash and check deposits. These filters can help narrow down the options to only those locations equipped with the services you're seeking, making the process more efficient. Once your search results populate on the map, there are some cool features you can utilize. The map will show various pins representing different ATM or branch locations. By clicking on these pins, additional information such as the exact address will appear. This way, you know precisely where you would be heading. Furthermore, if you need step-by-step directions, there's an option labeled Get Directions. Clicking on this link will conveniently redirect you to a Google Maps page where you can find detailed directions to your selected Axos Bank location. That's it! With this guide, you'll now be able to easily find an Axos Bank branch or ATM nearest to you, ensuring access to all the banking conveniences you need. Remember, these digital tools are here to make your life a bit easier, so feel free to explore and use them as often as you need. Thanks for watching and happy banking!